Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and welcome to a portion of the Flavors of the Month kit from the Scrap Room. Lovely Kit Club subscription that you can get where you can enjoy 4 different collections from 4 different manufacturers from 4 different collections. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but four collections, 4 mini collections. Get a taste of what's new out there, all coming to you, and you can get add-ons and extra stuff. Anywho, I don't know why I was rambling on about that. If you haven't checked it out before, check it out below. You can see the Facebook group and the store. But this is Simple Stories, part of the August Flavor of the Month kit this month. So the 2 pieces of cardstock we're going to get are just some white cardstock. So I got 2 sheets basil white, just plain white texture cardstock. And then we're going to get 3 pattern papers. We've got Simple Stories. This is Simple Stories, the little things, by the way. So we've got I Love You So, which is this gorgeous floral with strawberries. And then this fun, it's like a periwinkle. I really like this color. Striped grid pattern. And then you get the 4x6 elements. But on the back side of that is a beautiful plaid. And then you get this other one called Happy Life, which is a cute, petite little floral, and then a beautiful red polka dot on the back. Everyone's going to get some embellishments. They're all going to vary per kit. So what I'm showing you is not necessarily what you're going to get if you subscribe or grab the kit, but you'll get similar items. So you're going to get some from the bits and pieces and the floral bits. So Simple Stories always has the 2 different ephemera packages. It's always the bits and pieces and the florals. So you're going to get some from both, and then you're going to get some from the foam sticker sheet as well. So this is what I got from the foam sticker sheet. It's this one title that says Little Moments, this beautiful floral, Live Life in Full Bloom, which I love. And then these are all my little ephemera bits. So I got like a lemon slice, a red flower, and they're all outlined in white so you can see them well on my red polka dot, a big pink floral. Oh, good, they were separate. I was hoping they were. A yellow, a purple, that periwinkle color. Fun little banner, a fun little floral sprig thing there, a basket of strawberries, and this lovely, gorgeous butterfly. I like that. It's just kind of gray. So that's what I've gotten. So you're going to get similar items, but different. So you'll get some foam, you'll get some mix of these, but they will not be the same ones exactly. So I plan on playing a little bit. I really want to cut into this plaid and do something fun with it. So I'm gonna go find me a photo or 2 depending on what I find that kind of fills the vibe of this collection, and I'm gonna get to cutting, so stay tuned. Hello party people. So far what I have done with my papers from this lovely Simple Stories collection is I've taken my plaid and I have basically gut part of it and distressed it. I wanted to cut out the center, and then is this like, yeah, what stinks is it's the cut apart sheet, so it's not like I'm gonna have a consistent color all the way around when if I fold these back and really distress them. So I want more than just white behind it. So I went ahead and cut a square big enough from this paper, which I really like. And then I cut a strip of the red. I'm going to tear some and tuck some under there. But we're just going to tuck it on a piece of white cardstock. I may have also matted it on a pattern paper that is in the add-on kit, just for a little extra something. But obviously you can do that with something from your stash or just get the add-on kit. So that way I have kind of a double border, but it's a very subtle double border, and I really like that. But I wanted to get this paper down and just because I was going to have such a small piece in the middle, that was one of the main reasons that I'm not going to gut the white cardstock. Normally I would gut the white cardstock too and save that, but I want that supportive piece, and might as well, right? Might as well. So I am going to use this. Gotta make sure those ladybugs are facing the way I want them to. tuck this under. I don't want it to stick quite yet because I cut it just to the size, just right. There we go. Okay. All right, now we're gonna glue this down and then we'll tuck some of the red. Just giving the red a little tear. And now I'm just kind of tucking it in a few places. Like a corner. Yeah, like that. Like that. Okay. All right. And I'm going to leave this loose until I'm done tucking because I want to be able to tuck things kind of in. So we're going to use mostly the ephemera pieces, I think. Maybe this. I don't think I'm going to do this. I'm going to do some alpha stickers because I think I'm going to do, I was having a hard time decide on what photo I wanted to do. And I don't want a huge one. So I was honestly thinking about doing my niece, or not my niece, yeah, my nephew puppy. My sister got a new dog and I might use him. And I might title it what she titled the Snapchat, like the caption she put, pond found check. So they just got this dog and oh yeah, that's perfect. They just got this dog and their old dog had found the pond that's near their house and it's scuzzy and their old dog loved it. So she was pretty excited that now she's experiencing that with this new puppy. So I'll get out some alphas. And it looks like black is kind of prevalent in some of the stuff, so I think we'll just use black. Pond found. Perfect. And this might be the perfect alpha. So these are just, oh, these are Garden Party thickers. I really like this font. It's a good one. And this is Tucker. Oh, I think I like that. Okay. Because then I can do things like, this. And maybe put a little butterfly. So I might. That. I like what I've got going on here so far. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna glue all this down. I might get some noodle drops out as well. Yeah, so let me get some gluing and I'll check back in with you. I found that this is like the perfect color. And I'm wondering if I should stick this like right here. I kind of wanna, but it's almost like too big. Let's see, I was just looking over here at other things in my stash. But I did grab out some sequins. These are Spiegel Mom Scrap, ironically called Home Sweet Home, how fitting. But there's all like the red and the yellow and the green. I think I'm just gonna use some of the yellow ones. So I'm gonna pick and choose and we're gonna put some sequins on. I really like this, but I wonder if I have a slightly smaller one or something similar that would work. This one says Memories at Home. That would work. Or Home Life. That would work. Either of those would work. I don't know if this pink will work though. I really like that one, but that pink is not quite right. This is Home Life though. This could work. I could lift this up maybe. And tuck that there. That's actually kind of cute. All right, got that down. That works perfect. And now for some sequins. And like my friend Crystal, sometimes you just gotta do the sequin trail for the butterflies. So we're gonna try some. I feel like I need something right there though too. Yeah, I feel like I need something on top of my, like another flower or something. So I might do something like that. Okay, Crystal Katana, where are you? There you are. Yeah, I think we're just gonna steal the yellow ones. I would love to use the whole mix, but I like to grab mixes that to me scream, I can use all of it together. It's a great combination, or there's awesome colors in it and I can use them separately. So that's what I like to do. Just like delightful. There we go. Perfect. Okay. I think that's it, you guys. I did a tiny journaling underneath. Otherwise, I think that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Make sure you go check out the Facebook group and the store to get your own kits and goodies and see what there is for all the add-ons. And the Facebook group will give you tons of inspiration. That's where you can post. They have some fun challenges as well. So make sure you go check it out, and we'll see you next time. Bye.